Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We just finished filming a 3-part tutorial for Inspire on what Peter likes to call polishing. So with polishing the lighting and polishing the model and then polishing the retouching. And we just wanted to show you a little snippet of the part of polishing the model with myself. Let's get into it.
I'm just going to shoot for a bit and then I'll start bringing in some of my tricks and then we're going to see how some of Beck's tricks work. I'm just going to let Beck get warmed up, so I'll try and give her some confidence with what she's doing. Cool. Cool. That's really pretty. So I'm in no rush with this. I'm just letting Beck fall into a drift in her own head. Can you just zhoosh the hair a little bit? Like flip it right over and zhoosh it up. That's better. That's much better. That's really cool. So all I'm doing is I'm right now just watching when I think Beck is giving her look. So there's a couple of telltale signs she does, which I'm not going to mention now because then she will know it and might think about it and then not do it. But I do see a thing in her eyes quite often, and that's what I'm looking at. Sometimes I'm a bit slow and I don't shoot, she does something else, which I know that I was too slow, I missed the shot. I don't know if Beck's brain goes, oh, I gave it to him, but he didn't give it back, he didn't click or anything. But I've noticed that now, if I do miss the eyes, there's a little muscle that comes out straight after. Cool, that's really cool. And once Beck's ready, I'm just going to let her decide. She can start telling the story in the way of her having the thoughts in her head, like who's she looking at or what's she trying to put across. Is it like strong, powerful? Is it like just a pretty face? Is a niche ear? But one of the tricks is, if you do make them laugh, all of a sudden their cheeks come up again. And I can't use grim. See, nothing happened. So she tries one after the fact. Cool, cool. That's really cool. I pretty much get to a point where I like to just every now and then reset. But doesn't look away as much as other models, so I get scared that she's getting stale with the camera just going click, click, click in her face the whole time. So to break that down, I try and say something stupid to make her laugh. I'm just going to let her play for a bit, then I'm going to then play for a bit, then I'm going to finalise it off with some big changes to cool. I like that. Cool. I also like to vary when I click to because it gets them out of knowing exactly if I pull a pose by now he's going to click. And especially with Beck, she knows that if I don't click, she has to do something because it means where she thought I should have clicked and I didn't, it means she needs to make the picture better. So you now playing? Yes. Yes, no, it's all right. That's all I want. So from now on, Beck is now playing in her own head of the game she's playing, what she's looking at, who she's looking at, or who she's trying to come across as. That's really cool. Nice. So now I might start bringing my games in. Cool. So now all I'm going to do is just make Beck do things that are not her normal shape and that just to get expressions that are not going to be her normal because that's not how she would normally sit or whatever. Cool. So I might just get you both feet flat on the floor just like that. That's cool. That's cool. Hands on knees. Cool. Yeah, nice. And push high, nice and tall, and square on. That's really cool. There, cool. That's really cool. I like that. Really like that. Just, yeah, that's nice. Just drop in a little bit. I'm trying to really micro pose, and I used to do this a lot years ago, didn't I? I really got to a look, and I started more wanting to get the natural look of the model. There's definitely some different faces in there. I'll just take a few pictures, and once I see she's getting used to it, yeah, nice and dead square. That's perfect, perfect. Cool, 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 cool. Come on to toes. Nice, nice. Elongate as tall as you can in the seat. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool. That's really cool. Cool. Now bring your feet round dead straight, just dead straight in front of you. Cool. Cool. I'm just trying to pick exact moments to shoot. This has given me different faces. Grim. Nothing, I'm just saying that's better, that's much better, cool. I was trying to break your face because you got really low cheeked. And cool, that's better, that's really nice. So I was just trying to find something because Beck keeps telling me how much of a cat model she is. So I wanted to work on what she says is cool, cool. Weddings. Oh, that went well. So I'm just messing now because I now want to show you the different expressions I can get just by saying different things. So we'll just talk about Google Documents. Now we got a different face. Cool, cool, that's really cool. Awesome, cool. So we were talking the other day about Beck's emo days in MySpace when she used to get dressed up for school, put her smoky eyes on, and was it a clip-in fringe or was it?
No, clip-in extensions.
Extensions. Cool, cool. And she was like a scene kid at school. That's really cool, that's really cool. Cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice. Awesome. Awesome. Complete different change to your face now. That's cool, that's so cool. Awesome. So have you still got those thoughts in your head now or they're gone? Did I leave sort of just a... Yeah, because your face has changed so much. I planted some, that's it. Now she's giving me sass face. Cool, cool. Nice. Cool, cool. What I'm just been doing in the last little bit on purpose is taking the camera out of the shot and just joking around and having fun so it's not so much boring and just work. Cool, that's really cool. All right, we got something.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, if you do want to check out the full 3-part version of this, you can head over to Inspire. Link will be down below. But if you want to stick around and watch some other stuff that we have done, I'll pop some videos on the screen now.